Welcome to Tech Bytes and News, your daily roundup of articles featured in Hacker News. Today, we're diving deep into the upheld conviction of Elizabeth Holmes, the founder of the infamous Theranos. A major legal development, wouldn't you say?
Absolutely. A stunning conclusion to a saga that captivated the tech world and beyond. So, the appeal was rejected? What were the key arguments?
Precisely. The Ninth U.S. Circuit Court of Appeals in San Francisco just shot down Holmes's appeal. Her lawyers argued procedural errors and questionable evidence at trial. But the court saw through it. They didn't buy the claims of improper procedures.
And what about the specifics of the case? I mean, the Edison machine, that was the heart of it all, right? The machine that promised so much and delivered so little.
Exactly. The court essentially agreed that the Edison machine, the centerpiece of Theranos' fraudulent claims, simply didn't work as advertised. The prosecution's argument that the device's failure wasn't really contested held up. Remember, Holmes claimed it could run a multitude of tests with a single drop of blood, a massive biotech breakthrough that never materialized.
It's almost unbelievable, the scale of the deception. Billions of dollars lost, based on a technology that was fundamentally flawed. And Balwani's conviction was upheld too, correct?
Yes, Balwani, Holmes's former partner and Theranos president, also had his conviction upheld. They were tried separately, but both faced similar charges, and both appeals were rejected. This really hammers home the severity of their actions.
So Holmes remains in prison, serving her sentence. I think it's important to remember the human cost here too. The investors who lost millions. The patients who may have received inaccurate test results. It wasn't just a financial crime. It was a betrayal of trust.
Absolutely. And don't forget, her sentence has been reduced for good behavior, but she's still looking at a significant amount of time. She's expected to be released in 2032, having served 9 years. It's a long time to reflect on the consequences of her actions. It's a cautionary tale for anyone in the tech world, a stark reminder of the importance of honesty and integrity.
It's a fascinating case study in corporate fraud, the allure of hype, and the ultimate consequences of unchecked ambition. And her recent interview in People magazine, she painted a rather bleak picture of prison life, didn't she? She
did. Describing it as hell and torture, she talked about the separation from her children and husband. It's a stark contrast to the image she cultivated during Theranos' heyday. A powerful reminder that even those who seem to have it all can face devastating consequences. I see. Interesting.
It's a complex story with many layers. The legal battle is over, but the ethical and societal implications will continue to be debated for years to come. This case will undoubtedly be studied in business schools for decades.
Indeed. And that's all the time we have for today's Tech Bytes and News. Thanks for joining us. We hope you found this discussion insightful. Goodbye, and have a great day.
Bye-bye.